Hi, it's Bill Herman again with the Entertainment Experience, and today I thought I would talk to you a little bit from an actual event where it's pre-event right now, so people are just getting here, and some of the things are still going on. You can hear noises from people being set up, but we're doing an event for a corporate client, and I really wanted to talk to you a little bit about how we impact events. In other words, what our role is and how our role can impact or not impact. A lot of guys ask me why, they didn't book this or they didn't get booked that, and they see things like I'm charging only a little bit of money. Why wouldn't I get that gig? Why doesn't that fit for me? Well, you know what people think of DJs, and it's sadly, it's not always the best idea. I mean, people have already a picture in their head of what a DJ is and what they're not. Okay, so when they create something amazing for their clients or for the people that are come to see an event, the idea of attaching just a DJ doesn't always match what's going on. And if you notice, you wonder, do these people actually have money to spend? And they're only going to spend $500 on a DJ. Why would they spend money on us? Come this way and get an idea of what this is all about. I mean, they've already created an experience, as you can see, an experience of a red carpet into a grand event. Come on over this way. Once you get to the grand event of the experience of the red carpet, then you have this beautiful room. Okay, a room that took them thousands of dollars to create an experience that's just amazing. Okay, so now they just attached a DJ. They weren't going to plan to attach a DJ at all, and I am the DJ for the event. Okay, why would they not attach a DJ to this event? Well, probably because they think the DJ and what he does and his role for the afternoon isn't going to match this beautiful, elegant thing that they've created. They've got an experience here. And then a DJ might come in and be a club guy. Does this look like a club experience to you? Not even a little bit, and the client can see it as well. Or a wedding DJ, okay? This isn't even really a wedding feel. This is something else altogether. So what they're looking for is someone that will actually match the role so that it takes the event and the coordination of it and make it even more amazing, okay? So the question would be, if you're trying to book these kinds of things, are you going in as, this is what I do and this is all I do? Or do you actually try to match the experience? Because as you can see, a theatrical experience is what they're going for. Look at the staging that they've done here. Look at this amazing staging. Look at how they've put everything to centralize here and there so that everything is focused the way they want it to and the way they want it to feel, okay? Now they're going to attach a DJ, or they're going to attach someone to be the host, okay? Or they're going to create something, then have a role for the person to take it from one level to the next level, okay? To actually enhance what they've already created with already thousands of dollars. So when I charge a certain amount of money, $500 looks like I'm just going to bring a DJ, but if I'm going to charge a certain amount of money, I should match what's going to go here. It's like any great play, any great show, okay? If the lead character of Fiddler on the Roof, Tevye, is now cast in the role, in the lead role in Grease, he's not going to match that role, is he? Are you matching the role? Are you making an impact? That's what you want to ask yourself, and that's just a few of the things we talk about in the Entertainment Experience. I'm Bill Herman, and we'll see you at the next workshop.